Hey guys, I'm Harv.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So it's officially Thanksgiving in Canada.
So we decided to make pumpkin spice hot chocolate. Let's get to it.
So our ingredients, we are gonna get 2.5 cup of 2%.
Stop! You said cup! I just get favorite. Oh no,
So our ingredients, we are gonna get 2.5 cups of 2% milk. You can use oat milk, almond milk, or skim milk as a replacement. Then we're gonna get 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and then 1.5 cup of chopped semi-sweet chocolate, and then 1.5 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and lastly 1/3 cup of creamed pumpkin.
Okay, so we're gonna get a saucepan and then put it on medium heat, and then we're gonna get a rubber spatula. And so we have our milk, so our milk and our heavy cream, and then our chocolate, and then we're gonna put it all together and mix that up. So, got our milk first. A lot of milk. Woo. Perfect. And then our heavy cream. Okay, perfect. And then lastly, our chocolate. And just constantly mix that. Make sure no chocolate gets stuck on the bottom of the saucepan. That would be pretty bad. But yeah, just mix it until chocolate melted. Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to add in our pumpkin pie spice. And add it in. So now do that quick mix. Okay, now we're gonna add this in, the pumpkin puree or the creamed pumpkin. Don't worry, it'll all taste good in the end. This part is just for like the flavor. Then we're gonna strain it out just to make sure that there's no like, stuff in there. There. Yeah, so don't worry if it looks like slimy, it'll be fine. We're gonna strain it in the end. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna mix this for 2 minutes to just get the flavor in from the pumpkin puree, and then we are going to strain it. All right, so we're gonna strain this now, and then pour it. Woohoo! Not bad, not bad. Okay. Now just push this in. It's just some like sloshy balls of spice that got stuck in there because they didn't get mixed properly. But yeah, you can see that some of the pumpkin puree got stuck here. That's perfect. All right, now we are going to get this soup spoon, and then we're going to pour it into our individual cups, mugs. Got a towel under here just, in case. That's good. That's good. A little more. A lot more. Okay, good. Perfect. Oh, wow. Sorry, I spilled a lot. Okay, so these filled like 3 cups perfectly. We tried 4, but it didn't work, so we just put it into 3. And if you want, you can froth it. We have this like handheld frother. But if not, then you can just put some whipped cream, put some cinnamon on it, and then enjoy it. So. Alright, so we are going to be trying our pumpkin spice hot chocolates. Oh my god, it's amazing. That is so good. It's a pumpkin, you can actually tell it's pumpkin. And like, it's really creamy as well, really creamy as well. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos that we post. And make sure to check our website and our Instagram. Yeah, and also feel free to leave a comment down below. And yeah, make sure you make these. These are pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah. See you in our next video. See ya.